That's the lady. Who is this up here? He's got a little kid on the back. No gear on. Can y'all see that kid with no gear on, with shorts on? If you want to ask me, I think that's a form of child abuse right there. Oh my goodness. That should be child abuse right there. Riding around with no gear. Sad. Cutting cars. That's sad. Kawasaki ZZR. You're going to be famous on YouTube. Four X 927 Kawasaki ZZR North Carolina 4X 927, riding around with his child on the back of his motorcycle, cutting cars with no gear on. Should be child abuse.